Full election is what we need. In a bid to ensure all turn out to vote on Tuesday, security organs in Machakos County have ordered for the closure of all bars in Athi River on the day of voting. Speaking to the press after holding a security meeting, Athi River Deputy County Commissioner Charles Ombogo said this will ensure no one is locked out during voting day, as residents will have the opportunity to elect the right leaders. All bars in the area will be closed from 6 a.m. Tuesday till Wednesday the 10th.
We are going to close bars. So we want to urge our bar operators within our jurisdiction, because days of selling and taking beer will always be there. We have 365 days for doing that, engaging in selling and drinking of alcohol, but we only have 1 day in 5 years to exercise our fundamental voting right. So we have agreed that on Tuesday, all bars in Athi River will close at 6 a.m. and 6 a.m. and on Monday, and we have agreed with all our stakeholders. They have said they will support us in that regard. So the whole of Tuesday there will be no opening of bars, because in any case people will be voting the whole day. So we have agreed on that. So we want to urge our people to continue preaching peace. Don't allow yourself to be used by politicians. If you are not registered in Athi River, go and vote where you registered. When you vote, go home peacefully, continue preaching peace and reminding your friends, your family members, the importance of voting for that day.
Now, sleuths in Thika, Kiambu